Hello everyone, we are Team Agents. Today we are presenting Market Pulse AI, an autonomous executive decision intelligence platform and business digital twin developed for the Kaggle AI Agents Capstone project under the Agents for Business track. Modern businesses face unexpected challenges such as competitor discounts, shipment delays, negative customer reviews, and seasonal demand spikes. During such situations, making the wrong business decision can lead to revenue loss, reduced customer satisfaction, and operational risk. Our solution enables organizations to simulate these business crises before taking real world actions, helping executives make more informed decisions. This is our business digital twin dashboard. At the top, we have KPI cards displaying key business metrics such as business health, customer sentiment, operational risk, inventory health, revenue protected, and market share. On the left is the communication graph, where executive agents exchange information during decision making. Beside it is the debate timeline, which displays conversations between executives throughout the decision process. On the right is the CEO control panel, where business parameters can be modified using real time what if analysis. Our platform consists of 7 autonomous executive agents, each representing a different business department: CEO, CFO, CMO, COO, VP Inventory, Chief Customer Officer, VP Market Intelligence. Each executive has different goals and constraints. Instead of relying on a single AI assistant, these specialized agents collaborate, debate, negotiate, and vote to recommend the most effective business strategy. We are now simulating a real business crisis involving a competitive flash sale together with a supplier shipment delays. Each executive independently investigates the situation. They gather evidence, exchange information, and debate different business strategies, propose possible solutions, and finally vote for the best overall decision. This entire process happens automatically through our multi agent system. Here we can see how each executive voted on the available strategies. Based on all executive votes, the system recommends the optimal business strategy along with the projected business KPIs. The explainable AI panel clearly explains why alternative strategies were rejected, making every recommendation transparent and trustworthy. The memory timeline stores previous crisis simulations and lessons learned, allowing future decisions to benefit from historical business experience. Now I am acting as the CEO. By changing business condition through the what if panel, we can instantly observe how executive recommendations change. The agents automatically reconsider the situation, update their analysis, and generate a revised business strategies. Market Pulse AI is built using a React frontend and a fast API backend. The system supports Gemini-powered reasoning while also providing a deterministic fallback simulation, allowing the complete multi-agent workflow to function even without an API key. Our project demonstrates how multi-agent AI systems can improve enterprise decisions by simulating executive decisions, evaluating alternative strategies, and recommending the best business response before real world implementations. Thank you for watching. We are Team Intelligence.